Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Precious. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you like my type of content, and if you are a returning subscriber, I love you. God bless you for me. All right guys, welcome to another vlog. I know he does not really look like someone that's not feeling too well, but he's actually not feeling too well, so he's going home, and once we get home he's going to do a test and then he'll get proper treatment. And yeah, you guys are going to come with me on this journey back home. I'll vlog as much as I can, and yeah, let's go home together, okay? All right guys, so we got ready, locked our doors, said our goodbyes to our friend, and then we were on our way to the school park. Finally, we got to the school park and we began our journey from Uturu to Aba, Abia State. So we finally arrived at Aba, Abia State, and it was drizzling, but we had to find our way to a good medical laboratory in order to get some lab tests done so that we can know what was wrong with my brother. We finished doing the tests and we started heading back home. I better go put door. So guys, I'm finally back home and I'll see you guys sometime soon, okay? Let me just freshen up and eat, relax, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Hi guys, good morning. I'm literally just waking up right now and I have a lot of chores to do as usual. Hi guys, I just finished mopping outside here and I want to go and tidy up the kitchen, so I don't know if I'll take you guys along with me, but let's see if I'll be able to. So let's go. don't miss an opportunity for content.
Oh, you people, it's God that will finally.
He was like, why you go? You know how to use now. Why you go?
You don't have to see your face just right now. This beautiful angel, please consider her beautiful face and subscribe to her channel. Link will be in the description. Oh, you are in microbiology. Beautiful kitchen. People should see video cheese kitchen. You don't need video your house. Oh. Yes, you can say hi. This is video's roommate. Beautiful. Hey, final years in the house. Fine girl. Hey, hey, wait. And I'll be right there. Fine girl.
Hey, you done too well.
Thoroughly, because this house has been cleaned. Open door now. Okay, now me hockey.
No.
Key there for outside door now.
Absolutely key. Well, you actually take care of this house, so.
Don't drop your bag in this parlor.
Hey, see my chicken is back.
No.
Your father carry for there. Your father carry in my armpits.
Yeah, their chinyere is back now. At least the parlor is looking like somebody's parlor. Their only daughter is back to arrange the house. Now him now. What I've been doing since morning, arranging the entire parlor. Look at now. This is not the way this parlor was. This is not the way. Teacher one Joko.
Maybe your papa.
You be who, Papa? You be who, Papa?